Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Morela. If you're new to the channel, welcome, or if you've been here before, welcome back. So this week we're making Venezuelan tuna and plantain bake, or how's it called in Venezuela? Pastel de chucho. This is a dish that comes from the west coast of Venezuela in the regions of Cumaná, and traditionally it was made with stingray, hence the word chucho, how stingray is called in that part of Venezuela. Of course, nowadays we don't make it with stingray, we make it with tuna, but also you can use any other dark fish, any dark meat fish like mackerel or any other dark meat fish that you find wherever you are. It's not really good when you use white meat fish because the flavor is not the same. You really need a fish that has a really strong flavor. So before we start cooking, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. So let's go straight into the recipe. The first thing we need to do is a classic sofrito. So we cook in a hot pan with some olive oil or vegetable oil, a chopped onion and a chopped red pepper. Once they're soft, we grate the garlic cloves and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Then add the tuna, which has been previously drained of any liquid or oil, and mix well. And for this, I'm using tin tuna. Season with salt and black pepper to taste and leave to cook for another 5 minutes. Then set aside to cool down. In the meantime, slice the yellow plantain and fry in abundant vegetable oil. Place the fried plantain over some kitchen paper to absorb the extra oil. Whilst the plantain is cooling down, chop the fresh herbs, coriander and dill. Although dill is not a traditional herb in this dish, it gives it another dimension to the overall flavor. Then add it to the tuna with the juice of 1 lime or 1 lemon and mix everything well. Once done, we can start to put together the dish by oiling a baking tray and making the layers of plantain, tuna and cheese. For this recipe, I'm using a British cheese called Wensleydale, but you can use any white cheese with a strong tangy flavor. Add the free-range eggs to a bowl and beat well. They will act as the bonding agent of the dish. Add the eggs to the bake. With a spoon, separate the sides a little bit so the eggs can sip through the bottom. Leave the tray to rest for 5 minutes so the eggs can also sip through in the middle of the tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 centigrade for 25 to 35 minutes or until golden brown on top. And this is Venezuelan tuna and plantain bake, or pastel de chucho, a dish that combines in each single mouthful the savory of the tuna, the sweetness of the ripe plantain, and the freshness of the herbs and lime. A dish very inexpensive to make, yet delicious, filling, and quite comforting. I like to serve it with a green salad or the traditional Venezuelan way with white rice. You can also make this dish the day before and warm it up before eating. It will still be super delicious. Thank you for watching. Link to the printed recipe is in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified of new videos. Here are some of my other videos recipe. See you next time. Bye!